Please also permit me, milady, to surrender the very elaborate remarks that I had prepared to the Secretariat, just for the record, because I'm well aware we have a very full agenda, and I would wish to make my remarks brief. But more importantly, milady, because having listened to your very lucid presentation of a vision, I think I can say with confidence that the last thing this audience would wish to hear from the Honourable the Attorney General, bald-headed as he is a long speech. Let me also associate myself with the sentiments that have been expressed by Dr. Fred Matiangi. Milady, you've given us an opportunity to reflect upon milestones, challenges, and opportunities, all to do with that word that you have repeated so many times in the course of your speech this morning: justice, justice, justice. And I was thinking about what you were saying, milady. I wondered why it is that over the years, when your ladyship and I joined the judiciary in the year 2003, there were cases your ladyship dealt with which are still in the books of the judiciary today, 18 years later, and some for even a much longer period. During those years, there have been chief justices, there have been attorneys general, there have been DPPs, there have been IGs, there have been DCIs, and so on. But the cry is the same: justice. Why does it evade us? And I would like to suggest very humbly this morning that the answer to that is in this room. All the players are here, starting with my colleague, Major Barak, right at the far end. All the players are in this room. But why does Wanjiku keep moaning about justice? These words, Chief Justice, summarize Wanjiku's anguish. Again, I looked and saw all the oppression that was taking place under the sun. I saw the tears of the oppressed, and they have no comforter. Power was on the side of their oppressors, and they have no comforter. And I declared that the dead who have already died are happier than the living who are still alive. But better than both is the one who has never been born, who has not seen the evil that is done under the sun. That is the challenge that I should like to present to us this morning. In those words from the book of Ecclesiastes in the Holy Bible, at the 4th chapter. We know what the problem is. and you have very ably set them out. The failed investigations, the breaches in the prosecutions, the delays, the collusion is the National Council on the Administration of Justice a cartel to prevent justice reaching Wanjiku? I believe it is not. But we must rise to the occasion, and under your leadership of this council, you've given us hope that we shall indeed overcome the challenges and offer our people the opportunities you have alluded to. On the aspect of the bill your ladyship proposed, I would very humbly suggest that your ladyship be pleased to appoint a task force of all the players here, and under the guidance of the Office of the Honourable the Attorney General and the Department of Justice, we will come up with a bill very quickly, and we will take it through. I also commit and undertake my own personal support to the work of the Council, so that indeed that cry for justice is not echoed when we are no longer on the scene, but that we will indeed be able to deliver justice and timely to all our people. And may the Almighty God help us in that endeavor. Thank you very much.